What's up everybody, this is Warren from Blackman Cycle. Today we're bringing to you the brand new 2022 Royal Enfield Himalayan. Not much has changed on this bike, but for good reason, because they're a very reliable bike. They're a design that has been tried and true. It's been extremely reliable, very comfortable. A lot of people love it. One thing that we see pretty common with Royal Enfield is they keep their design pretty similar from year to year, but they always have awesome new colors and schemes coming out for these bikes. Now this is the pine green with the camo. This is something that you're only going to see in the year 2022 right now. If you're looking to get your hands on something that's going to be decent on fuel, affordable, very affordable I might add, and then also got a really cool retro styling with modern reliability, it really isn't going to get any better than the Himalayan. These are a bike that you see a lot of guys ride if they're looking to do dual sport riding, get on the trails a little bit, also have a good time to and from work. Me personally, I really like these. Next time I buy a bike, I'm probably going to pick one of these up, as I am a fan of adventure bikes and also dual sports. So anyway, a little bit of information about this bike. What's really nice about them, they have an application that you can get on your phone, so you can get turn-by-turn directions via GPS. They also have a compass built into them as well that's digital on the heads-up display there. They're very basic. It's a single 411 single-cylinder motor. They get about 30 to 35 miles per gallon depending on how you're riding it. And then the transmission's also very simple. It's a simple 5-speed. Again, they're very reliable, very comfortable. If you're looking to get yourself in a starter bike or also something that's got a really cool style to it, this is the one to do it on. Anyway, you heard it first at Blackman Cycle. This is the 2022 Royal Enfield Himalayan. You can check us out at blackmancycle.com. Give us a call, 610-965-9865. Again, my name is Warren. You can talk to any of our other guys, Jason, John, and then also Jeff. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Don't forget, we've been here for 66 years. We carry 18 brands, 7 days a week, and always wear a helmet.